Hey everyone, today we're at Super Barn Casey. This is a revisit, as you can see. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. We have a Buffalo Trident evaporator, 5 fans on it, as you can see. It's a Buffalo Trident PS series, as you can see. Of course, the drainage pipe is right there, as you can see right there. Pretty big. There's not much really, as you can see. There's the store back there, as you can see. And that's about it really, I suppose. Not much to see. Of course, there's Buffalo Trident right there, as you can see. So that's about it really. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.